Hey friends, welcome back to AI Finder. Today's video is going to be super practical. I'm going to show you how to create a complete animated cartoon story using AI step by step inside Vidu. No theory, no fluff, just real results. From a simple idea to characters, scenes, animation, and final video, everything you're about to see is generated using AI. Let's get started. Story creation. First, we need a story. Instead of writing everything manually, I'll use this simple prompt in ChatGPT. Write a short animated story about a young boy who finds a glowing magical object in a dark forest. We have a structured story. Now we'll turn these scenes into visuals. Character creation. Now I'm inside Vidu, and this is where we start building our main character. For any animated story, the character is the most important part, because everything depends on how consistent and expressive your character looks across scenes. So I'll start with a simple prompt. Animated cartoon boy, 10 years old, big expressive eyes, simple clothing, soft cinematic lighting, cartoon style. Now, instead of generating just one image, I'm going to generate multiple variations. The reason is simple. AI tools don't always give perfect consistency in one output. So by generating different versions of the same character, we can later train the system to understand the character better. Here you can see we have multiple outputs. The overall style is similar, but small details are slightly different, like face shape, lighting, or expression. Scene creation. Now that our character is ready, the next step is to create the environment where the story will actually take place. So now we'll build the background scene. I'll use this prompt. Dark forest at night, soft fog, cinematic lighting, mysterious atmosphere, animated cartoon style. I'll generate a few variations of this scene. Now you can see different versions of the same environment. Some have slightly different lighting, different fog intensity, different depth and camera feel. This is actually very useful because it gives us options to choose the most cinematic looking background. Create references. Now we move to one of the most important steps in the entire workflow, creating references. This step is what actually connects everything together and makes sure our final video looks consistent and professional instead of random AI outputs. So what I'm going to do here is upload all the assets we've created so far. That include our main character images, as well as the environment or scene images we generated in the previous step. Once these images are uploaded, I'll create a reference inside Vidu. But once the reference is created, everything becomes aligned. Same character, same style, and same visual world across all generated shots. And this is exactly what allows us to move into proper animation in the next step. Animation. Now let's bring everything together and animate our scene. We've already created our character and scene references, so now it's time to turn this into an actual video. I'll start by writing a detailed prompt. This is where everything comes together: the character, the environment, and the motion. First, I define the character clearly, then I describe the scene. This detailed prompt helps the AI understand exactly what to generate. Not just how it looks, but how it moves. Once everything is ready, I simply click Generate. And within seconds, the scene turns into a fully animated clip. Final showcase. If you want to try Vidu yourself, check the link in the description. I hope you enjoy this video. Thanks for watching. and I will see you in the next one.